Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of saving a bookmark in Google Chrome. Bookmarks help you quickly access your favorite websites and web pages. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Locate the Chrome icon and click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Navigate to the web page you want to bookmark. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar or by clicking on a saved bookmark or link. Step 3. Once you're on the desired web page, look for the star icon at the far right edge of the address bar at the top of the screen. Click on it. Step 4. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select a folder where you want to save the bookmark. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one by clicking on the Choose Another Folder option. Step 5. After selecting a folder, click on the Done button to save the bookmark. The star icon will now turn yellow, indicating that the web page has been bookmarked successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a bookmark in Google Chrome. Now you can easily access your favorite websites with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.